Students, let's learn alphabetical order. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, or we can say all the letters from A to Z. The order in which the letter A, B, C, D and so on are arranged is called alphabetical order, or we can say alphabetical order is an indexing method in which names, terms or words are arranged in the same sequence as the letters of the alphabet A to Z. Alphabetical order is very important to perform various tasks. Suppose we have to find out a word from the dictionary or a contact from the phone contact. If all these words or contact numbers are not saved in alphabetical order, it would be very difficult for us to find. So, before putting words in alphabetical orders, there are certain rules, certain things we have to keep in mind. Let's learn those rules. To put words in alphabetical order, we should look at the first letter of each word. Now, look at these words: hockey, football, cricket, badminton. Let's arrange these words in alphabetical order. According to English alphabet, we have to start from letter A. No word starting with letter A is there, so we'll go for B, badminton, then C, cricket. No word starting with letter D or E, then we'll go for football. In the same way, we'll see how we have to arrange according to the sequence: badminton, cricket, football, hockey. Now all these words are arranged in alphabetical order. Let's learn this with the help of another example. Look at these words: book, pencil, teacher, chalk, eraser, student. Let's arrange these words. First word will be book, then see chalk, eraser, pencil, student and teacher. Now all these words are arranged in alphabetical order. Next, if more than one word starts with the same letter, we should look at the second letter of the word. See these examples: beans, bananas, apples, cheese and carrots. So we'll start from A, apples. Now, beans and bananas. Two words starting with the same letter. We will see the second letter. So, bananas, then beans. Same is the case with cheese and carrots, carrots and cheese. Now, the third rule is, if more than one word starts with the same first and second letter, we should look at the third letter of the word. For example, chili, chalk, church, cheese, choice. First two letters are same. We'll go for third letter. So, chalk will come at first place, then followed by cheese. Again, next word will be chili, choice and church. Or if first, second, third, three letters are same, then we'll go for the fourth letter. We'll see. Now look at this example: cherry, chess, cheek, cheat. First three letters are same. So, cheat will come at the first place while arranging: cheek, then cherry and chess. In the same way, we have to see if first, second, third, fourth letters are same, then we'll look for the fifth letter. But one thing more important which you have to keep in mind is, If one word has no more letters to compare while the other does, then the first shorter word comes first in alphabetical order. See, butterfly, but and putter. While arranging these words in alphabetical order, in but, no letter is there at fourth place to compare with. So, but will come at the first place, then butter and butterfly. Let's learn this with the help of another example. Cartoon, car, cart. Car will come at the first place, then cart and cartoon. Students, I hope all of you must have learnt how we can arrange words in alphabetical order. Try to practice with the help of these example. Thank you.